Hi friends, good evening to everyone. So today we are going to be continue FI submodules. So in last video we discussed about FI modules. Now we are going to be continue to discuss about FI submodules. If you have not seen my first video, please go and watch. So below I will give that description of that link. So now let's start. So these are the FI submodules like general ledger accounting and accounts payables, accounts receivable, asset accounting, and bank accounting. Now we can discuss in detail in each submodule. Let's start. So general ledger accounting. So general ledger accounts are used to provide a comprehensive picture of external accounting and to record all the operational business transactions in a SAP system. And the company can perform all the day-to-day business transactions through general ledger accounting. And general ledger account is identified with a number having from 1 to 10 digits in SAP. So this number will be flexible and the maximum number we can use in system 10. So we can design as per the client requirement either 4 or 6 or 8 whatever. But maximum length of the GL account is 10. And collections of all general ledger accounts which are used by the company called chart of account in SAP. So in SAP terminology, we are calling it a chart of account. So it's a list of general ledger account basically. And every company have a chart of account for their day-to-day business transactions posting in SAP system. And coming to the accounts payable. Accounts payable is a submodule of FI and to capture all the transactions relevant to vendors. And vendor master data will be maintained in SAP prior to perform the transactions in SAP. So this is the prerequisites to post any transactions in SAP. So first we have to maintain the master data in SAP, then only we can able to perform the transactional data. So this I will show you in the system after some time. And all the vendor invoice postings are made in the accounts payable and also updated in the general ledger simultaneously through vendor reconciliation ledger. So here, whatever the transactions are posted in accounts payable, but also updated in the general ledger accounting through vendor reconciliation ledger. This I will show you later. And accounts payable transactions includes all vendor invoice postings, debit memo postings, down payment postings, and payment postings. So these are the transactions which we are posted through accounts payable. Now let's move to accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is a submodule of FI and to capture all the transactions relevant to customer. This is similar to accounts payable. And the customer master data will be maintained in SAP prior to perform the transactions in the SAP system. Same like vendor master. Here also we have to maintain the customer master data in SAP before performing any transactions in a system. All the customer invoicing postings are made in the accounts receivable and also updated in the general ledgers simultaneously through customer reconciliation ledger. And all the customer invoice postings, credit memos, down payment postings, and the collection postings, these are all we can perform through accounts receivable submodule. Now let's move to next submodule, asset accounting. Asset accounting manages all the transactions relevant to assets. Example, land, building, computers. So I have given 3 examples for our understanding sake. And it serves as a subsidiary ledger to the general ledger account. Asset accounts in a general ledgers are updated with the transactions in real time. So whatever the transactions we performed in the asset accounting, it should be in the real time only. And we can see the list of asset accounting transactions as I given below, like asset acquisition and asset depreciation and asset retirement, asset sales and asset transfers. This kind of transactions we are performing through asset accounting. Now let's move to last component is bank accounting. Bank accounting is a submodule of FI and it deals with managing accounting transactions with the bank. Bank accounting also helps to process the outgoing payments. Outgoing payments is nothing but accounts payable, and also incoming payments is a accounts receivable. And all the bank transactions updated in real time, and also will do bank reconciliation on timely and accurate manner. And bank accounting helps to do auto payments to vendor, also customers in a real time. So this is the overall in detail discussions about FI submodules, and we can see in the next video. Thanks for watching.